Hi guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you a food vacuum sealer. So in case you guys are looking for a food vacuum sealer for your fresh food, then definitely this review will help you. So this one is from QDS food vacuum sealer. This is from Amazon. So let's open it and see how this product looks and how it works. I just want to try this product so to keep my food fresh. So it comes out like this, has like some the bag for the vacuum sealer, and this is the manual book. You can see it has like all the details and everything, how it works. The packaging is like really nice. You can see. So open this. The cord is like a pretty good length. Machine. You can see this is a one canister vacuum seal mode food seal stuff. It's like a, so this is how this I have to open it. So let's, you can see, so let's try one bag. So let me try some chicken. So this time we will use this roll. So let me show you how this roll works. This is the roll, guys. You can see. So to install the roll here, you just have to take this one like this way. You can see here is the cutter. So you have to put this bag here and then gently press this one, and you can use this bag whatever distance you like. I am vacuuming some chicken, so probably I'll need this one. So whatever the food you want, if you want like this much food, you have to cut like a little bit bigger so that you can get some room for your vacuuming. So let me try this one. Let's cut this one like this way. It's so easy. You can see I got this bag like easily. Let me vacuum seal this bag one side. So this one is for the seal, this one. So I just have to seal like this one line first. So first this one, close the lid, then press this side and press this side, then press the seal button. Oh, so the seal is off now. It's done. So let's open it. So quick. Wow, you can see, guys, it's quick. So quickly it sealed my bag. I have some chicken, so I'm using this chicken to vacuum. Oh wow. Oh, you can see I have put all this chicken, but still I have some room. That is great. So now I will vacuum it and seal it. So I'll put it here. So this line is for sealing and this is for vacuuming. So I'll put it inside like this way, like here, here. Then gently press this side and this side. When you heard this click sound, then you know that it's fine. So I'll vacuum seal. Food it's moist, like a little bit moist. Now vacuum seal. Here is the option, you can change it dry, moist, normal, gentle, but I want it's a little bit moist, so I'll choose the moist, and then let me do the vacuum seal and we'll see. Wow. So yeah, you have to wait until all this light is off. So if in case the one light is on, that means that is doing that job. So you can see, guys, it's completely vacuum sealed. How greatly it vacuuming my chicken. You can use it for your chicken, fish, like other red meat, whatever you want. You can use it. Like it's like really great. Let me vacuum some popped rice. So we'll try some popped rice using this bag. I'm using this much space. Let me vacuum and seal. So I will put here like this way. So this way, this one is doing the vacuum job, and this one is doing the sealing job. So in case you are doing the sealing, then you have to press it like here, and in case you are doing both vacuum and the sealing, then you can press it here. When you are doing vacuum and sealing, then you just have to put it like here, this way, and like press it here, and press this way and this way. And this one is dry food, so I'll choose the dry, and for the mode vacuum and seal. So you can see the vacuum seal is the light is on, the vacuum job is not on. Now the seal is turned on, so it means it's sealing, and now it's done because all the lights are turned off. So then you can know, and now you can completely open the bag. You can open it. Wow, you can see how this popped rice. Wow, it's like really good. I'm really impressed with the way it works. So in case you guys are looking for canister, then you can attach this one like with this, match with the groove, like the little one. Then press this one, and this one put it in the canister, whatever the canister you want, like something like this way probably, which has like a hole. But it doesn't, it has like a bigger hole. But if in case you have like a canister which has like a small hole like this one, then definitely you can vacuum that canister also. So it's pretty much doing like its job like perfectly. I really like this product because it's like a vacuuming and sealing like very quickly. You can see all this output. I really like the product, the way it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.